Hi guys, the Samsung Galaxy Buds Pro 2 news, rumors, and spec is here. Samsung's next wireless earbuds could be just weeks away. The Korean giant will hold its annual Galaxy Unpacked event on the 10th of August, but rumors suggest the Galaxy Buds Pro 2 will arrive before then. Samsung has apparently been busy working on new versions of the Galaxy Buds Pro wireless earbuds, and it seems they are almost ready to go. That's based on leaks. These aren't the only wireless earbuds that Samsung makes, but they are the most high-end and the most expensive. We'll have to wait and see how much they retail for, but once again the pricing is going to be crucial when it comes to how well they sell. Please like this video if you are a Samsung earbuds lover. Let me know in the comment section what you are looking out for in this new flagship, and if you haven't subscribed already then hit subscribe button now so you don't miss a thing in the future. As you can tell from the video, it doesn't seem as though there's going to be much change in the design of the Galaxy Buds 2 Pro compared with the existing Galaxy Buds Pro that launched way back in January 2021. Apparently battery life might get a boost, but in terms of specs and features we're still largely in the dark. We're assuming that features such as active noise cancellation are going to be carried over from the existing earbuds to the new pair. As for when we're going to see these wireless earbuds, the rumor is that they'll be unveiled in August alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4, the Galaxy Z Flip 4, the Galaxy Watch 5, and the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, so it's going to be a busy month for Samsung. So, it's important to view all leaks with some skepticism, but there's clearly evidence to suggest that there's potentially some truth to them. And considering how well received the Buds Pro and Buds 2 were, it only makes sense for Samsung to keep that momentum going with the Buds Pro 2. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment the country you are watching from. See you in my next video.